My GE microwave is beeping F3. What is the cause? How do I stop it?
Hello, my name is XXXXXX I am here to assist you. F3 means that your touchpad is shorted, possibly from cleaning it. Either way, unplug the unit and heat up the touchpad with a hairdryer a little bit. Rub the numbers with your thumb and just leave the microwave unplugged for 24 hours. Then plug it in and hope it works, because if not, then the touchpad will need to be ordered and replaced. I am here for further assistance and thank you for your time and patience, Randy.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.